Going from S to Z and Z to Z Plus on your equipments has never been easier with the new equipment system. With all that in mind, all you need to do is select the equip you want to do, and with a few clicks of a button, you'll have your newly upgraded equip. You can head over to the re-upgrade slot function, click over on the slot that you want to change, and then head over to the secure upgrade. Once we do that, we can click the perform a guaranteed upgrade, and before we even do the upgrade, it'll show you how much it's actually increasing by. Then you can then hop over to legends.dbz.space, and you can calculate yourself whether or not this will actually get you to the next rank of equipment or not. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and upgrade this equip and see what happens. And there you have it. Now it's a Z. Hope you guys found this helpful. See you next time.